PayPal offers business loans and working capital loans to eligible businesses through PayPal Business Loans and PayPal Working Capital. Here's how to get a loan. Check eligibility. PayPal Business Loans. Available to businesses in operation for at least 9 months with $42,000 or more in annual revenue. PayPal Working Capital. Requires an active PayPal business account with consistent payment processing. Apply for a loan. Log into your PayPal business account. Navigate to the Business Tools section and select either Business Loans or Working Capital. PayPal Business Loan. Fill out the application with your business details, purpose of the loan, and income information. PayPal Working Capital. The system analyzes your PayPal sales and offers a pre-approved loan amount. Review loan terms. For business loans, review interest rates, fixed repayments, and terms. For working capital, review the fixed fee and repayment percentage based on a portion of your PayPal sales. Accept the offer. After approval, sign the agreement online. Funds are deposited into your PayPal account or bank account within minutes to 1 business day. Repay automatically. Repay via automatic deductions from daily PayPal sales or scheduled payments.